finally in Namhae, and we just passed this little town, and they have a traditional market. So let's go in and check it out, just to see how it's different from other ones we've been to.
Your favorite Namhae.
I know.
We
Finally.
came back.
Came back because it's my favorite place in Korea.
2 years in a row.
I'm so happy.
Wow.
It's just a small one this time. Like super small. It's always interesting to see what kind of things they have at different markets. Looks like everyone is just trying to stay cool at the moment. Taking rest and staying in front of the fans. So we just made it to Daraengi Maul, and it's another place in Namhae that I haven't been to yet, but I wanted to go. So we made it. The last time we were in Namhae, we only went to Boream. So now we wanted to see like the whole islands more.
Look at the mountain behind you.
I know, it's surrounded by mountains and ocean. It's beautiful.
Okay, then let's check it out.
Let's go.
How do you feel?
It's nice here.
Finally you came here.
I know. It's so cool to see like different landscapes like this, and it blends so beautifully into like the ocean. And it's just like one of those magical places you just have to see for yourself.
And to be honest, I like here better than the one we went to in the morning.
The
tea place, yes.
Yeah, definitely. And it was a lot hotter earlier too. This is like so beautiful though. These are all rice fields.
And the mountain.
Yeah.
And
the
the
terrace.
ocean.
Incredible. Wow.
You can sit over there. Then I can take picture of you.
Wow, so this mountain water, it goes all the way down to the Pada. Doesn't this look like so magical? Like fairies live here. There must be. So beautiful. It's like nature has overtaken everything. And it smells like rosemary because there's all these rosemary plants everywhere. So the air is super fragrant. Wow.
Wow, it's amazing. 진짜 멋있다. 와.
Oh no, it feels like it's kind of salty.
You can take off your mask and.
Oh yeah. 사람 없어. Oh, smell! I love that salty smell. It's so good. Wow. Beautiful. This is why I love Namhae so much. Like, where can you get this? Or we can go down to the rock. Here, no seafood. Like the people that like make the seafood, they can't do that. Look at this. You just take it, rub your fingers a little bit. Smell this.
오.
Rosemary.
로즈마리.
Nice, right?
냄새 좋다.
You can cook with this too.
Cooking?
Yep, and you can make oil, like infuse it in oil and use it on your hair, and yeah, it's really good for you. It's spicy.
근데 very like humid, right?
It's super humid, yeah. I feel like it's gonna rain any second now.
고양이 만지면 고양이가 화낸대.
귀엽다. 두 마리.
Look at these. It's all my elementary school memories.
Really?
Yeah.
Anything you want to try again?
Try again?
Curious.
다른 거는 다른 데서 다 드셔볼 수 있는 건데 나는 다른 데서
유자가 유명한가 여기?
예, 나는 이거
아 그래요?
나 슬러시 하는 데는 아니에요.
맞습니다.
예.
I got this.
Oh, cute. I kind of want this now, but
Let's go up.
okay. So we just got to this beautiful like resting area, and we have some drinks with us and some fun snacks, and we're gonna just like hang out here, play a game, and just like relax for a bit. Wow, isn't this beautiful? I love how it just goes straight down from mountain to terrace right to 바다. Wow, incredible. I guess they pay out there too. Well, I'm so excited to look around more of Namhae and have a chance to spend more time here. So this is great.
I can't believe that I came here 2 years in a row.
But we didn't spend that much time last time, so now we can fully enjoy it.
I feel like Namhae is super close to Gangnam now.
We went here last time. Do you remember?
Yeah, I remember.
We don't need to go again though. So we just got to Songju Pada, and we're just gonna look around here. It looks so nice, and I saw that the sand looks really white and soft. Yeah, we'll try to find something. You know, we didn't book any hotels, so we have to just wing it.
Our plan is always up in the air.
Yes, it is.
Is it cold? No cold. 따뜻해? What about the inside the water?
It feels really good. It feels
The
nice.
clean? This is our morning view.
So we just arrived at the sheep farm in Namhae, and it looks so cute. It looks so cute. I'm so ready. Look what we got. We have food for them too. So we're gonna feed them and just look around. So cute, so cute, so cute. Should I feed them one?
Yeah.
Oh, cute. Oh. Whoa. Hungry. Take a ball?
Have you ever done this?
No, never.
천천히.
천천히 먹어.
천천히 먹어.
Can I touch your head?
You can touch.
Oh. Harmony said that it's muddy, so maybe don't go in. But I don't care. I could have muddy shoes. I don't mind.
Let's ask 할머니 then.
Okay, let's ask.
I think we can go inside.
Yeah, I want to.
Oh, he's coming. Ooh.
Oh no. Here. She's in here. No?
Oh, scary.
Where are you? Their teeth are kind of crazy. They look like human teeth.
우와, 깜짝이야.
깜짝이야.
씨.
Scared me.
깜짝아. 어디서 왔어?
Hey, 잠깐만.
어디서 왔어?
I don't know. Where'd it come from? It scared me. I didn't expect it to come out. Whoa. Come on with me? I mean, goat friend. No, sheep friend.
재밌어?
재밌어. I want to go, like, have more sheep come.
You're farm girl.
I know, I like it. Look at this background now. The waterfalls. Beautiful, right? Okay, so we just asked Harmony if we can go inside. She says it's okay, but we have to lift our basket up really high so they don't like come at us. I'm a little nervous. Ready?
Yeah.
Can you lift it?
조심해, behind you. Oh, they're coming.
I'm surrounded. Oh my goodness. Is this real life? I'm surrounded by sheep. I kind of love this. Oh my god. Don't jump.
They follow you. That's so funny.
I'm like a sheep shepherd.
I don't have any.
No, I'm dead. It's kind of scary. You're like very.
I don't have any. Oh no.
Should I put the carrots in? Can I dump it? I only have carrots left. Can I dump it? One more. Okay. 재밌었어. 양떼목장. So fun. I love that. I liked they were so cute.
You made so many friends
I
there.
know. So many sheep friends. I felt like little Bo Peep with the little shepherd. It was cute. Oh, this is a great place to bring kids. I think they would love this. Anyway, we're going to go to the German village next. So let's go.
배고파?
배고파.
Okay, go.
Go.